YouTube, qui a été développé par un chercheur à l'université de Utrecht au Néderlande. Et qu'est-ce que nous avons fait? Nous avons fait une petite modification en ajoutant pratiquement un deuxième compartiment au-dessus du compartiment découvert. Ceci, c'est pour faciliter au fait la division des colonies. Et c'est ce que nous allons pratiquement faire tout de suite. Ça, c'est la colonie mère et ça sera pratiquement la colonie sœur. Bien nettoyé. La première des choses, Noah, can you kindly help put the propolis here? On va prendre le propolis du trou de vol, on va le placer dans la ruche de la colonie sœur. Et ceci, c'est pour pouvoir récupérer les butineuses de la colonie mère qui sont allées butiner, afin que lorsque nous allons mettre la ruche sœur, ils reconnaissent leur nid. Yes, it is. Ok. Alors, je vais maintenant laisser à Noah. Comme lui, il n'est pas aussi agressif comme moi. And we continue the job. This for you. Okay.
So you divide the brood.
You cut the brood.
Yeah.
Vous devez bien prendre soin des cellules royales parce qu'on aura besoin normalement dans les transferts.
Of the hive. So we will remove this, and for the other
And
reason,
put on the side.
it has been damaged, and this can cause foreign flies. So
Okay.
we will remove it.
You sacrifice it or you put on the side of the new one?
You can sacrifice it. Yeah. Because it can cause foreign flies, you just sacrifice it.
Then, yeah. So you have kept the queen cells, huh? Okay. Because we have the young broods here, this is a sign that the queen is in this compartment. So where we have the old broods, we just make sure that we have some good numbers of queen cells where the new queen, this colony will make a new queen from this one. Oh, yeah. And this one, just put it back where it was. So now what it's going to do here, on va au fait prendre celle-ci, la riche sœur, on va la placer là où la riche mère y était. Et ici, j'ai déjà fermé le trou de vol de la riche mère que nous allons déplacer et amener quelque part ailleurs. Arrange the brood comb. They place one layer of comb on top of another one. And the small pillars, what they call pillars, which are supporting each other. If you press, you squeeze.
Yes, but why don't you cut?
So we did not want just, you can cut, but we just didn't want to cut it because this was the top cover of this part.
But no, they cannot growing.
No. Here they are not going to grow. What they're going to do, they're going to feed on the food which is here. By feeding, they're going now to have a new space and they will grow. So what we can now do next is to add another top. Like here, we can add another top here for the next colony division. And here also we can add another top so that when they're going to build up, we can also do a division of the colony.
So you can add also another room.
Yes, you can also add another room here and also there.
Okay.
Yeah. Bring it back where this one was.
And the queen is
here.
In the new hives.
Yeah, in the new hive, because that's where we have new layers of new broods.
Okay.
And here, those are the old broods.
Cells
and we have found that there are 3 queen cells. These are the ones we left there for the colony for a new queen to emerge.
And the new queen merging kill the others?
In fact, the new queen might kill the other.
Yes.
But because they always have one queen in the stingless bee. But in case like the colony want to swap, they can produce a new queen, and then the worker bees will go and prepare a new nest. When that new queen mates, they bring her to the new nest. Yeah, in case where the colony have to swap. No, this one place it to face that way.
We have somewhere to keep.
Where?
You will see.
Okay, tell me. It seems that some things have taken place. Yeah, I don't know. No, was it there?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Was it facing that side?
This side.
This is so they start to entering,
Yeah, they have started.
or they are robbers.
No.
They know already it's the colony.
They use this ceremony.
Yeah.
Ceremony.
So
We removed the entrance from
so
that height.
you take a little to put here. It's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Because they smell. They smell.
They smell the ceremony.
So each colony has an odor.
Yeah.
The odor here, the smell here is different from the smell here.
Very different because of the queen.
Yeah.
After today, you open.
And they'll open it tomorrow. Tomorrow in the evening.
Tomorrow
In the evening. Yeah.